Before I start, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, to thank God first, no, for this opportunity to be able to celebrate our parents' 80th birthday. We are really blessed. Alam niyo po kung bakit? We are able to witness their 50th wedding anniversary and now their 80th birthday. Tapos, alam niyo po, kumpleto po kami magkakapatid. Anim po kami. So meaning, kumpleto po yung pamilya namin. Pasensya na po kayo, wala po yung dalawang anak ko. Pero may representative po ako ng dalawang anak ko. Come on, Ethan. I want to introduce you. Don't be shy. My eldest grandson. Say hi and good evening.
What's your name?
Ethan,
Sila.
Ethan, pag yung nagpapa ka na, anong pangalan mo na? Papa Ethan.
Galing ka. Bakit sinabi mo sa akin yun? Para... Anyway, talaga, we are truly blessed, no? And maraming salamat sa inyo. Not only we're complete, but majority of friends ng parents ko, together with the neighbors and our dear family are here. Hindi ko na alam ang sasabihin ko eh. Well, anyway, welcome again to our parents' 80th birthday party. Babasahin ko na. It means the world to us that all of you were able to come, no, to this ordinary milestone with our beloved parents. And thank you for keeping it a secret. Katakot-takot na paalala at pagbabanggit ko na huwag niyo pong babanggitin, pakiusap po. May kwento po ako, nasira po yung messenger ng mama ko. And we deliberately na hindi ginawa. Kasi sigurado sa kulit ng mama ko, yung mga kamag-anak, te-text ng te-text. Di ba? Na reunion. So mabubuking po kami. So mamaya maayos na yung messenger mo. Pasensya na po kayo. So, sa mga ibang kamag-anak namin kaibigan who take time, no, from their busy lives and braving through the traffic, malakay naman. Meron pang, I won't mention names na lang, meron pa ako, tinext ko umaga, pinicturan. Nasa aeroplano. Wala ba akong tulog nito, ah? We really appreciate it. Tapos, meron alaunang umalis. Meron nag-text sa akin, oh Mel, para hindi ako malate ha, umalis na ako, kahit mag-commute lang. So, ganyan lahat para makapunta. So, your presence made it really meaningful, no? Gratitude to everyone. 80 years. Wow, sana all maka 80 years. So ako, 25 years to go to 80 years. So hopefully, ako. So that's 8 decades of life, love, laughter, and lessons. Today we're not just celebrating their birthday, but a life truly well lived. A legacy. Their impact to our lives, their sacrifices, hardship, resilience,